Hi guys, my name is Happiness John. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across my video, please subscribe and share with your friends, share with your families. Please tell your friends to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tell your friends, tell your families. Please like, share my video. Please share it. Subscribe so that you'll be watching more video. Okay? So this my channel is cooking with my family. Like I write it cook with me. My channel is not only cooking, so I can share with my family here, yeah, like me and my children, my husband. So guys, so you guys can see us, can see how we live, how we do things together. This channel is not only cooking, so I can still share. If I see things, I can still share it to you guys. So I want to say thank you for all my old subscribers, my new subscribers, the people that want to subscribe. If you are passing by, you just see Happiness John channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell. You see the one that writes all. Please hit that bell. It's very important, okay? If you don't like my video, you can still turn the like. If you like my video, you still turn it like, okay? Okay guys, so please, thank you very much for watching. Thank you. God bless you. And guys, please, you have to protect yourself for this coronavirus. It's too much. It's very too much. All about too much. It's very too much. So guys, please protect yourself. Okay, bye. This is the third son that I have. Can you see him? He's sleeping. You open his mouth. Not your mouth. Don't allow my YouTube people to see you. Can you see him? He's sleeping. Okay. Okay, guys. This is the second boy. And guys, you're going to see my husband is coming. Now come and sit down here. We are going to complete. Okay. You are welcome. Okay guys, this is my husband. I am a short woman, so my husband is very tall than me. So I'm going to shift the camera. I'm going to shift it, okay? This is my son. Very soon my son will talk. He will big past me. See as he fine. Now let's see my handsome husband. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Happiness John. Please subscribe and like. And the man beside me here is my husband. That is my hobby. Okay, introduce yourself now.
Hi, I'm Destiny by name.
Okay.
How are you guys doing?
Okay.
I hope you are good. Please stay at home. I wish you good luck. I wish you all to friends. Hi. Once again.
Okay. Is that only? Yeah. You will not say subscribe now.
To our YouTube channel.
Okay. And like.
And like. Please don't forget to press the button and the bell.
Thank you. Okay guys. Kiss like a ton. Kiss say ciao. Nah, sorry, you know Greek. He said no. Ahead. So, what are we doing today?
So as you can see today, I want to teach my woman how to speak Benin and English translate.
Benin and English translate. Okay, so for this video is about Benin and English translate. So my husband will speak in the Benin.
English.
No, you will speak in the Benin. So you will tell me to say it, Abi. So after I say it, so my husband will still ask me, do you know what it mean? If I say yes, I will say it. If I don't know it, I will say no. So my husband will tell me. Okay, guys, so let's continue. Oh yeah.
Ekpo.
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 Okay. You know it in English?
No.
Okay. It mean bag. Ekpo mean bag.
Ekpo me bag.
Number two.
Number two. Okay. Oh. Okay.
What do you mean for English?
I don't know.
It means say head. Means say head. Number three. Lare.
Oh yes, so I know what is lare. Oh.
What it be in English?
Lare is come. Lare.
Come here.
Come here. Sorry. Come here, Lare.
Okay, you get that. Number four. Ize. Okay. What do you mean? What do you mean for English?
I don't know.
Okay. Rice.
Ize
means say rice.
Ize. Jesus. Italy, may una hear me oh. Ize. Rice.
Number five. Ame.
Number five. Ame. Yes, I know what is ame. Water.
Okay, you get that one. Number six. Ohu. You talk about it. It means say you know what it mean in English?
No.
Okay. It means say English. It means say girl. Girl for for Benin.
Mean girl.
For Benin and Ohu. For English na girl.
Okay. For Benin, Ohu. For English, girl. Hey. Now wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number seven. Ukpuame.
Ukpuame. Because me I not say that ame. Now water. Ukpuame. Hey. I don't know that one will be ukpuame. I know ame na water.
Cup water.
Oh. See, I said it. Cup water. Ukpuame. Okay.
Number 8.
Number 8.
Egogo.
I don't know it.
Egogo in English. Clock.
Okay, egogo in English is clock. In Benin is egogo. Okay.
Number 9.
Window na. This window.
You see window for English. I don't know for Italian.
You don't know for English.
Window now.
Window. Guys, please. What is window in Benin? I don't know. My husband said that he don't know whether it's window. A window or window. I don't know anyone. So if you people know it, please write it in the comment section. Yes.
What I know is that a window
I beg. Wait.
In English
Abeg, if una know am for Benin, make una write am for there. So e say a window is Benin. Me, I don't know. My husband don't even know. So I don't know the one. Is it a window or it have another name? Okay.
Number 10. Owe.
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 Owe mean, you know what it mean?
No.
Leg.
Leg. Owe in Benin is leg in
Leg.
English. English is leg. Owe is Benin. Okay.
Number 11. Ebe.
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 Ebe na leo. Ebe na tie. Ebe.
Ebe la leo. Ebe na tie. Ebe.
You know what it mean?
No.
Book.
Book. But you call it long now.
No, I just tell you say no be ebe. You see me say like a leaf for Benin. You see me say book where you see the read for.
Okay,
you
okay.
say leaf and book.
Okay. Benin people, you people understand. So me, I don't understand though.
Ebe in English book.
Ebe in English book. Okay. My teacher is teaching me.
Number 12. Evae.
Evae.
Evae. Evae.
Evae.
Okay, you talk about what it mean.
Evae. I don't know it.
Food.
Food. Okay. Okay. Evae is food in Benin.
Number 13. Ibata.
Ibatan. Ibatan is shoe.
Correct.
Hey, Ibatan is shoe. I know it.
14. Obo.
Number 14. Obo. Obo.
Obo.
I don't know what is obo in English.
In English, obo in Edo mean obo
in English.
That is in Edo. In English, and.
Okay. Ebo in Edo. Edo.
Obo in Edo.
Okay.
English,
hand. Okay.
Number 15. Okbia.
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 Okbia, you know what it mean?
I don't know what is okbia.
Okbia in Edo is okbia. In English, boy.
Okbia in Edo is okbia. Okay, yeah, you get it. Okay, boy. Okay, okbia in Edo is okbia in Edo is okbia. In English is a boy.
Boy.
Boy. Okay.
Number 16. Number 16. Ume.
Unwe.
Ume.
Unwe.
Ume.
Unwe.
Ume. You know what I'm talking about? Ume.
Unwe.
Ume.
Unwe.
I'm going to ask for you.
Chai.
Okay. You know what it mean? In English, salt. In Edo.
Unwe.
Ume.
Unwe. Unwe.
No, you want to say breast?
Sorry, oh. You say unwe is breast. I beg go. Sorry. Okay.
Ume.
Unwe.
Ume.
Unwe.
Ume mean in English salt.
Okay, you have said it before.
Ume.
Okay. English salt. Okay.
Oto. Number 17. Oto.
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 Okay. You know what you mean?
No.
In English, grand.
Grand. Okay. I don't know many things, so I don't know anyone. When my own tongue will reach.
Number 18. Ehu.
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 Hey.
Ehu.
Ehu.
Okay.
I don't know it all. Please.
In English, door.
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 Okay. Door.
Number 19. Oma.
Onwa.
Oma.
Eh?
Oma.
Onwa.
Oma.
Onwa.
Okay. In English, you know what it means?
No.
Person.
Person.
Aga.
Aga.
Number 20. Aga.
Aga.
Know what you mean?
No.
Aga mean chair.
Chair.
In English, chair.
In English, chair. My belly they taught me for this language, oh.
Okay.
I'm tired, though. I don't even know many things there. Let me just say it's only 3 things I know over there. I know here. Only 3 things, so. Hey! Now, wow. Only 3 things. 3. Ame, Lare, and I don't know the other one. Hey! Yeah. So guys, this is what we have today to show you guys. So please subscribe and share so that you guys will see more videos to watch. Okay? So guys, he's sleeping. See my husband. Mine. He said ciao.